Hi everyone, I am Magali. I'm an architect and I'm working in my studio called Wizard. Today I want to talk to you about a new tool which has been in our profession for some years. It's called virtual reality. VRs are basically pre-designed applications that can show a potential client an architectural space. And there are two ways to access to it. The first one is just through a normal computer, and the second one is through virtual reality headsets. In there, the experience is a bit more real because you can walk through the spaces, see what materials are they made of, change those materials, and other things we are going to see here. So now we're going to see some of the options that we have to interact in this tool. In the main one, we can turn on and off the lights just pressing a button and approaching the device. We can also see that if we approach a surface such as the floor, for example, this program gives us different types of materials to change the floor and see many design alternatives. All of these changes were designed by us in an earlier stage with the suggestions of architects and clients. Another option we have in this VR is to approach the television, turn it on, and put a channel that can be, for example, a voiceover talking about the first interviews before making the house, or just a video of that house. All of these changes and things we can do with the objects just leads us to live a more complete experience of that house and the spaces in it. So now we're going to see how we can change the atmosphere of a space. That is how when a person enters in this place, the saturation of colors start to change and generates different sensations for the person who accessing that place. This tool can be used so that person understands how this place is really going to be like, and that person can feel the warmth. So this is just a magic tool that allows us to program how the user's interactions are going to be. And these are just some options that we wanted to show you, but there are many different and incredible things that we can do here. Maybe we can change the weather and make it rain, or make an object fly if you want. We can do whatever we want here. These type of applications are very useful because we can use them to show a project to anyone in the world, just sending them a file from an office in any place of the planet. Well, this has just been a way to show you what this new language is about, so you can help a client to better understand an architectural project, which is always a huge challenge for any architect, and we know it. So we think it might be helpful for you to know it, to know what this is all about, so you can research it or contact us maybe if you need anything. We are here for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, subscribe, follow us in our social medias, and we'll see you soon.